Alright guys, I bought something that is pretty cool. This is the Aula S75 Pro, and from what I've seen, this keyboard has a lot of features, especially for the price. The 75% layout, has Bluetooth, has a little screen, and a little knob, RGB, hot swappable keys, and apparently it has a really nice sound. A lot of things cool about it. So today I'm gonna unbox it, check out the quality, test the sound, and just see how good it works. Let's get into it. I think it's this one. Please no virus, please no virus. English. Next. Next. Buttons. Oh. Ooh. Okay, let's see if it makes the lights blue. Let me get this camera set up. Okay, see if it makes the light blue. Let's go. Oh my gosh, let's go. So I guess that's good. Let's get on Geometry Dash. Okay, let's just do this. Ooh, I'm gonna have to get used to it. I haven't played this game in a while. Yeah, let's see if I can just do the wave and prismatic. I can't. Okay. I'm just washed. Well, overall, I think this keyboard is pretty good. Like, it sounds super nice. You put some foam in there or something. But that is nice. Alright, so I've been using this keyboard for a while now, and it's super good. The level that I played earlier in the video, that was whenever I first got it and I wasn't used to the keyboard. And now, look what I can do now. No! Well, I'm pretty used to it now. So this keyboard is on a discount right now. The one I got, this black one, is only 73 bucks right now. Used to be 109. 5 stars. It's a good keyboard. You should buy it. Sounds really good. It's just a good keyboard. It has all the F keys. Has a little knob for the volume. So yeah, like and subscribe. Buy the keyboard. It's really good. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video.